If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here, and welcome to Mail Call. And this mail call should be done Thursday, but didn't have time, so I'm doing it today, Friday. So here we go. We're going to open this box, a special box. So this mail call is provided by Lena from Pen Boutique. So thank you very much, Lena. So I'm going to show you what's in the box because I'm excited. So anyway, and then I will go over the whole 9 yards with you. First of all, the most important thing in the box is the Tootsie Pops, right? Right. A strawberry and a pineapple. Okay. I asked Miss Lena that I needed this pen to review, and she was kind enough to send it to me. So Lena, thank you for the Diplomat Magnum. That's something to be looking at, folks. Okay. And as you all will know by now, Pen Boutique has their own line of pen cases. Yep, called the Yak. And I gave all those last pen cases away already so people can enjoy the Yak. And I've heard a lot of good things about it. So here's the next set. And then I'll get into it more thoroughly when I do the review. And then right in here is something that's going to be gorgeous. Just knocked out gorgeous. If you watch my previous one on the Yak, the 10 pen case, this is the newest one that has just come out. Look at this beautiful Yak. And you're not going to pay the price that you pay for pen cases with big brand names on it. You're going to be surprised at the affordable prices that these are going to come out with. So this, my friends, I'll just show you a little bit of the inside. That's it. But there's more to it than that. But that's all I want to say right now. Okay? Because I'll give it all away. So then, let's put this back up, and it comes in this beautiful little bag there. Just like the previous one did. So, I believe we have one more thing in here. Yeah, this is it. Okay, here we go. One more. Nice, beautiful, kind of a velour feeling to me bag. Really cool. And as we open it up, something awful delicious is going to be in here. What do you think of this, Mr. Announcer?
Well, I just saw red something that looks really nice.
And it smells great.
Oh, yes. I can, ooh.
It's another Yak.
Oh,
Look
I like
at
that
this
one.
beautiful Yak. Black with red trim. I love it. It's absolutely stunning. So let's open it up real quick. Just take a little look inside. Now look at this. And I'll tell you, like I said, more about this when I do a review. So, little cards I'm going to take out here in a second. That's where this comes from. Right? Okay. So, I'll put these back up. Oh, the smell is to die for. You know, like when you get a new car, how that first smell hits you and you just knocks you off your feet. That's what this reminds me of. Just beautiful, stunning. But, again, these Yak pen cases from Pen Boutique are very, very affordable. They really are. After I review these, you can check out the prices of other pen cases and see how high they are. Well, you're going to get just as much for your buck with this pen cases as you would the others. But, you know, different strokes for different folks. You might think, well, that's much better because of the name. You don't know the product until you actually have it in your hands and actually use it. That's when it'll hit you. I mean, I can review all day long. The top reviewers can review their heads off. But still, you, the buyer, will not actually know until you reach out and buy one. That's the only real way you're going to do it, right? But more about it when I do the review. Thank each and every one of you. And again, thank you, Lena from Pen Boutique. And thank you to all your staff for getting this all ready for me. Give them my best. Give them my love. And a lot of peace and love and lots of hugs to everyone out there in Larryland. I'll see you later. And please, don't text and drive. Be kind to a stranger. Bye-bye.